Hello, what is up, my people? How are you doing? This is Bayo Adio. Welcome to my channel. If you're brand new to this channel, what I do is I share videos about my travel and fitness. Currently, I am in Lagos, Nigeria, so that is what I'm currently sharing about. Just the different experiences of living here, the good, the bad, and the processes that you have to go through. Specifically for this video, I wanted to do a continuation video of the video that I did last week, which is sharing the process of going to pick up US dollars at a local bank. So to give you guys a quick recap, the Central Bank of Nigeria decided that they're not going to allow transfers from all of these apps, WorldREMIT, SendWave, and TransferWise, and to go directly to a Nigerian bank account. So now you only have two choices. You can either have a domiciliary account, which is like a US dollar account in Nigeria, or you can go do a cash pickup. So I wanted to go through the experience to see if it's legit, what the experience is like is picking up cash. I'm going to put a link to the video on top of here, somewhere on top, where you guys can see the experience going to Access Bank using WorldRemit. But for this video, it's an experience going to Zenith Bank to going through the same process. So my first time I experimented with $100, but this time I wanted to experience with like $1,000 and above to see what the process is like. So if you're interested in the Access video, click on the link above the Access Bank video. But for this one, continue watching if you want to know what the process is like for Zenith Bank. So for Access Bank, the requirements was very simple. Actually, let me open it up here. You only need the receiver's name, the receiver's address, the relationship to the sender, the phone number, and the purpose. And then obviously you need the WorldRemit code that they would have sent to your phone and your BVN, and then a signature. But Zenith Bank is a little bit more complicated, my people. Complicate. All right, let me show you guys their requirements. I have it up on here. So Zenith Bank, they want a lot. They want the sender's name, the sender's account number, which I questioned, but they told me to ignore that part. They want the sender's address, the sender's date of birth, the nationality of the sender, the sender's means of ID, the source of funds, which I'm like, what? This is too much questions. And then the sender's phone number, the occupation of the sender, the purpose of transfer, and the relationship with the sender, and then the amount. I complained to the teller that this is too much information to require. So they had some that they designated that it's fully mandatory and some that is kind of optional. So some of those fields I was able to skip, but still too much questions. And then on the receiver side, they want your account number, the address, the code that you received, your date of birth, ID, occupation, your BVN, and all of that stuff. So kind of the same process as Access Bank as with this bank, but these people are requiring a lot more information. But at the minimum, you need your BVN and you need your identification. You need to know the amount and the sender's name and the purpose of transfer. And ideally the sender's phone number and your phone number. So that's just the things that to make sure that you bring with you. The same process with Access Bank, they did fingerprinting, but with Zenith Bank, they didn't do that. But the same process still applies where if you're using WorldRemit, you show them the initial code, and once they initiate the transaction, they send another code to your phone, and then you have to give them that code again for them to be able to complete the transaction. What else? They did have all the dollars that I requested. They have a counting machine that counts it in front of you, so you can see the amount that you're getting, and then you can go about your business. So I just wanted to share this video on Zenith Bank to let you guys know that the process is working. I think it's been fun to receive money in US dollars because I can exchange it in what they call the parallel exchange market. Some people call it black market for a higher amount of exchange rate rather than the SendWave or some of these apps automatically converting it into a Naira account. But for the convenience, a lot of people prefer to not go on the bank to the bank to wait in line. They would rather just take that extra expense for the money to go to the Nigerian Naira bank account. So that's kind of the good and bad of this whole new process that they're implementing. If you have any questions, post underneath this video. And if you want to bypass the line, try to get in contact with your friends, family members, or someone that knows a banker. That way you don't have to queue in line. You can just go directly to the banker and then they can kind of initiate that process for you. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that this is helpful to you as you're figuring out how to maneuver this new change with the Central Bank of Nigeria. Also, if you do not have a domiciliary account, I recommend that you should probably open one. That way you have the versatility of using either account as needed. All right, thanks for watching. And if you like this content, at least please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel as well. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.